In American history, lumber was a key part of the story of industry and expansion. It drew people to the West and helped turn America into an industrial power. As the industry churned on, the advent of the circle saw, later followed by the bandsaw, allowed for production on levels never before seen. Dimensional lumber of scale became possible, enabling more construction using wood products. More recent developments of motor and milling capability have allowed more complex cuts that make installation and maintenance even easier. Trestlewood is a reclaimed wood company that offers antique and rustic lumber product lines for residential and commercial use. Through dealing in large timber and barnwood, Trestlewood has also developed a box skin program that makes their products available to homeowners around the U.S., allowing any room to achieve a great look. To make this possible, the program uses milling technology to make each piece a consistent width, thickness, and length, allowing ease of install. We talked to Fred Cannon, owner and operator of the Brigham City Mill, about these processes.
That will probably be the case also with the box thins. We haven't been doing this product for very long. It's just been a few months now, and it is a pretty labor-intensive process. There are quite a few touches to the wood.
The process starts with the compilation of various reclaimed and manufactured wood products of Trestlewood that are produced and compiled into a 1-inch thickness.
So that, is obviously too narrow.
From there, each piece is stickered and stacked in preparation for the kiln drying to take place. Kiln drying is the process in which excess moisture is removed to avoid shrinkage in interior application. This takes about 5 to 7 days. A heater paired with a compressor allows the kilns to dry enough lumber for orders and demand. It is sorted and split to a rough dimension using this piece of machinery called the resaw. The resaw uses a high-speed bandsaw which helps reduce waste and allows consistent cutting of each board. Once the thickness is at an acceptable range, the material flows to the motor. High-tech and able to mill wood at an incredible rate, the motor is at the heart of the operation, perhaps second only to the quality of the material. The motor has 3 cutting blades that allow for milling on 2 edges and a face simultaneously. This allows the blades in one pass to edge and thickness plane. In many applications of thicker lumber, the motor is employed to mill shiplap jointry, tongue and groove for lumber. In this case, it is just a square edge.
So we try to have solid material so that if it's pretty thin. We target 5-inch width and a 5/16 thickness. Now, if a board is a little bit thinner than that, then we allow that to go through. So the 5/16 is plus or minus just a little bit.
Next, the skin is then sent to a chop saw to have any split ends cleaned up for the final length of 1, 2, 3, or 4 foot pieces. Consisting of a random mix of length, Trestlewood then bundles up the material into 30 square foot units. This banding table allows a laborer to band these units in an efficient manner. Once this step has been completed, the thin skins are placed in a box. The labels are then applied and the unit is ready for sale.
So the use for this product is typically in homes where people want accent walls of weathered wood of varying contrasts of color and patina and so forth. And so, in homes, probably businesses, but it's an interior application almost all of the time for people that just want a rustic accent wall.
From structural to aesthetic importance, wood is very difficult to beat in abundance and beauty. History has shown the development of technology that helps harvest and manufacture products that improve the daily lives of many. The axe, the circle saw, the bandsaw, and modern equipment have continued to put to use an incredible nature-given resource. The aim is to continue to responsibly use this resource such that many can enjoy the benefits of wood in their homes.